Oracle PaaS Online Training. Overview of Oracle PaaS. Oracle Platform as a Service (PaaS) is a comprehensive suite of cloud-based services that enables businesses to develop, deploy, and manage applications in the cloud. It provides a wide range of tools and services that cater to various aspects of application development and operations, including databases, analytics, integration, mobile, and more. Here's an overview of key components and features of Oracle PaaS. Key components and services. Database services. Oracle Autonomous Database, a self-driving, self-securing, and self-repairing database service that automates routine tasks such as patching, backups, and performance tuning. Oracle Database Cloud Service offers flexible database deployment options, enabling businesses to run Oracle databases in the cloud with full control over configuration and management. Application Development. Oracle Application Container Cloud Service supports the deployment of Java, say, Node.js, PHP, and other applications in containers, simplifying application management. Oracle Java Cloud Service provides a platform to develop and deploy Java applications with integrated tools for development, testing, and deployment. Integration Services. Oracle Integration Cloud, a comprehensive service that facilitates application integration, data synchronization, and process automation across on-premises and cloud environments. Oracle SOA Cloud Service supports the integration of diverse applications and services through a service-oriented architecture, SOA. Analytics and Big Data. Oracle Analytics Cloud offers advanced analytics capabilities, including data visualization, machine learning, and predictive analytics. Oracle Big Data Cloud Service provides a scalable and secure platform for processing and analyzing large volumes of data using Hadoop and Spark. Mobile and chatbots. Oracle Mobile Cloud Service enables the development and deployment of mobile applications with backend services like data storage, user management, and push notifications. Oracle Digital Assistant, a chatbot platform that allows businesses to build conversational interfaces for various applications. Content and Experience. Oracle Content and Experience Cloud, a content management system that supports the creation, management, and delivery of digital content across multiple channels. Blockchain. Oracle Blockchain Platform provides tools and services to build and deploy blockchain applications for secure and transparent transactions. Oracle PaaS versus other cloud services. When comparing Oracle Platform as a Service, PaaS, with other cloud services, several factors come into play, including features, pricing, ease of use, integration capabilities, and the specific needs of the business. Here's a breakdown of how Oracle PaaS compares to other major cloud service providers like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Features and services. Oracle PaaS. Strong in database services, particularly with Oracle Database Cloud. Provides robust support for enterprise applications and Oracle's SaaS offerings. Offers comprehensive support for Java development and deployment through Oracle Java Cloud Service. Extensive suite of analytics, data integration, and management tools. OWS. Vast array of services, including compute, storage, database, analytics, machine learning, and IoT. Highly scalable and flexible, suitable for a wide range of applications and industries. Strong ecosystem and third-party integration capabilities. Extensive global infrastructure for high availability and redundancy. Microsoft Azure. Strong integration with Microsoft products and services like Office 365, Dynamics 365, and Windows Server. Comprehensive hybrid cloud capabilities with Azure Stack. Wide range of services for AI, machine learning, IoT, and blockchain. Enterprise-grade security and compliance certifications. GCP. Strong focus on data analytics and machine learning with services like BigQuery and TensorFlow. Competitive pricing, particularly for compute and storage. High-performance networking and global reach. Strong support for containerization and Kubernetes with Google Kubernetes Engine, GKE. Key components of Oracle PaaS. Oracle Platform as a Service, PaaS, offers a comprehensive suite of cloud services that enable businesses to build, deploy, integrate, and manage applications in the cloud. Here are the key components of Oracle PaaS. Oracle Autonomous Database. Self-driving, self-securing, and self-repairing database services. Includes autonomous data warehouse and autonomous transaction processing. Oracle Integration. Provides integration between on-premises applications and cloud applications. Features include Oracle Integration Cloud, Oracle SOA Cloud Service, and Oracle API Platform Cloud Service. Oracle Application Development. Tools and platforms for developing, deploying, and managing applications. Includes Oracle Java Cloud Service, Oracle Application Container Cloud Service, and Oracle Visual Builder. Oracle Data Management. Comprehensive data management services for handling big data, analytics, and data warehousing. Includes Oracle Big Data Cloud Service, Oracle Data Integrator Cloud Service, and Oracle Analytics Cloud. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI. Provides high-performance computing and storage resources. Key services include compute, block storage, object storage, and networking. Oracle Mobile. Tools for developing and deploying mobile applications. Includes Oracle Mobile Cloud Service and Oracle Autonomous Mobile Cloud Enterprise. Oracle Content and Experience. Tools for managing digital content and customer experiences. Includes Oracle Content and Experience Cloud. Oracle Blockchain. Managed blockchain service for building blockchain networks and applications. Includes Oracle Blockchain Platform Cloud Service. Streamlining business operations with Oracle PaaS. Streamlining business operations with Oracle Platform as a Service, PaaS, involves leveraging a suite of cloud-based tools and services designed to enhance productivity, scalability, and efficiency. Here's how Oracle PaaS can help streamline various business operations. 1. Application development. Rapid development and deployment. Oracle PaaS provides tools like Oracle Java Cloud Service, Oracle Application Container Cloud Service, and Oracle Developer Cloud Service for quick development, testing, and deployment of applications. Integration and APIs. Oracle Integration Cloud allows seamless integration between on-premises applications and cloud services, enhancing communication and data flow across platforms. 2. Data Management and Analytics. Database Management. Oracle Autonomous Database automates database management, reducing manual tasks and improving efficiency. Big Data and Analytics. Oracle Big Data Cloud Service and Oracle Analytics Cloud offer advanced analytics, machine learning, and data visualization capabilities, enabling better decision-making based on data insights. 3. Enterprise Integration. Integration Cloud. Oracle Integration Cloud simplifies connecting SaaS and on-premises applications, streamlining business processes and improving workflow automation. API Management. Oracle API Platform Cloud Service facilitates the creation, deployment, and management of APIs, ensuring secure and efficient integration across systems. 4. Mobile and Web Solutions. Mobile Cloud. Oracle Mobile Hub provides tools for developing, deploying, and managing mobile applications, enhancing mobile workforce productivity. WebLogic Server. Oracle WebLogic Server for Oracle Cloud offers a robust platform for developing and deploying enterprise Java applications, ensuring high performance and scalability. 5. Business Process Automation. Process Cloud. Oracle Process Cloud Service allows for the automation and optimization of business processes, reducing manual efforts and improving operational efficiency. Workflow Orchestration. Oracle Integration Cloud includes workflow automation capabilities that streamline business operations by automating repetitive tasks and orchestrating complex processes. Use cases of Oracle PaaS. Oracle Platform as a Service, PaaS, provides a comprehensive suite of cloud-based services that enable enterprises to develop, deploy, and manage applications with greater flexibility and efficiency. Here are some key use cases for Oracle PaaS. Application Development and Deployment. Custom Application Development. Develop custom applications using Oracle's development tools and frameworks, such as Oracle Java Cloud Service and Oracle Application Container Cloud Service. Mobile Application Development. Use Oracle Mobile Cloud Service to build, deploy, and manage mobile applications, ensuring a consistent and secure mobile experience. Data Management and Integration. Database Services. Utilize Oracle Database Cloud Service to run and manage Oracle databases in the cloud, benefiting from high availability, scalability, and security. Data Integration. Integrate data from various sources using Oracle Integration Cloud Service, facilitating seamless data flow and business process automation. Business Analytics. Data Analytics. Leverage Oracle Analytics Cloud to analyze and visualize data, enabling data-driven decision-making with advanced analytics capabilities. Big Data Management. Manage and analyze large datasets using Oracle Big Data Cloud Service, which provides tools for big data processing and analytics. API Management. API Development and Management. Create, deploy, and manage APIs using Oracle API Platform Cloud Service, ensuring secure and scalable API management. Security and identity management. Identity and access management. Use Oracle Identity Cloud Service to manage user identities, access controls, and authentication across applications and services. Security monitoring and compliance. Monitor and ensure compliance with security policies using Oracle Security Monitoring and Analytics Cloud Service. DevOps and Continuous Integration, Continuous Deployment, CI/CD. DevOps automation. Implement CI/CD pipelines using Oracle Developer Cloud Service, automating the build, test, and deployment processes for faster and more reliable software delivery. Enhancing application development with Oracle PaaS. Enhancing application development with Oracle Platform as a Service, PaaS, involves leveraging a suite of cloud services designed to streamline the development, deployment, and management of applications. Here are key aspects and benefits of using Oracle PaaS for application development. Key components of Oracle PaaS. Oracle Autonomous Database provides a self-driving, self-securing, and self-repairing database that automates routine tasks, allowing developers to focus on innovation. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure (OCI) offers high-performance computing, networking, and storage services to support scalable and resilient applications. Oracle Application Express (APEX), a low-code development platform for building and deploying scalable, secure enterprise applications quickly. Oracle Integration Cloud facilitates the integration of on-premises and cloud applications through pre-built connectors, integration patterns, and a visual development environment. Oracle Kubernetes Engine (OK) manages containerized applications with Kubernetes for automated deployment, scaling, and operations. Oracle Mobile Hub provides tools to develop, deploy, and manage mobile applications, including backend services like push notifications and authentication. Oracle Digital Assistant enables the creation of conversational interfaces, chatbots, that integrate with various applications and services. Benefits of using Oracle PaaS. Rapid development. Accelerate application development with pre-built components, templates, and low-code environments. Scalability and performance. Scale applications seamlessly with Oracle's high-performance infrastructure and services. Integration and interoperability. Simplify the integration of various applications, data sources, and services, ensuring smooth workflows and data consistency. Security and compliance. Leverage built-in security features and compliance certifications to protect applications and data. Security features in Oracle PaaS. Oracle Platform as a Service (PaaS) offers a comprehensive set of security features designed to protect data, applications, and infrastructure. Here are some of the key security features in Oracle PaaS. Data security. Encryption. Data is encrypted at rest and in transit using advanced encryption standards. This includes transparent data encryption (TDE) for databases and SSL/TLS for data in transit. Data masking and redaction. Sensitive data can be masked or redacted to prevent unauthorized access while still allowing applications to function. Identity and access management. Oracle Identity Cloud Service (IDCS) provides robust identity and access management features, including single sign-on (SSO), multi-factor authentication (MFA), and user provisioning. Role-based access control (RBAC). Granular access control policies can be defined based on roles, ensuring that users have the minimum necessary access to perform their duties. Application security. Web Application Firewall (WAF) protects web applications from common attacks such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, and other OWASP top 10 threats. Oracle Security Monitoring and Analytics (OSMA) provides real-time monitoring and analytics for detecting and responding to security threats. Infrastructure security. Network security. Virtual cloud networks (VCNs) with subnets, security lists, and security groups to control inbound and outbound traffic. Isolation. Tenant isolation ensures that different customers' data and applications are separated and secure. Compliance and governance. Audit and monitoring. Detailed logging and auditing capabilities allow for tracking user activities and access to resources. Compliance certifications. Oracle PaaS complies with various industry standards and regulations, such as GDPR, HIPAA, SOC 123, and ISO 27001. Data integration with Oracle PaaS. Oracle PaaS, Platform as a Service, offers various tools and services for data integration, enabling organizations to connect, manage, and analyze data across different systems and platforms. Here's an overview of some key components and features related to data integration with Oracle PaaS. Key components: Oracle Integration Cloud (OIC). Application integration, seamlessly connect on-premises and cloud applications. Process automation, automate business processes with integrated workflows. Visual Builder, create web and mobile applications with a visual development environment. Oracle Data Integration Platform Cloud (DIP). Data integration, real-time data integration and replication. Data quality, ensure data quality and consistency. Data governance, manage data governance and compliance. Oracle Golden Gate. Real-time data replication, ensure high availability and disaster recovery. Data synchronization, synchronize data across heterogeneous environments. Transactional change data capture, capture and deliver transactional changes in real time. Oracle Data Integrator (ODI). High-performance data movement (ETL), extract, transform, load, capabilities for batch and real-time data integration. Knowledge modules, reusable modules for specific data transformations and loading tasks. Integration with big data, support for big data technologies like Hadoop, Spark, and NoSQL databases. Key features: seamless connectivity, pre-built adapters for various applications and databases, REST and SOAP APIs for custom integrations, support for various data formats, XML, JSON, CSV, etc. IT infrastructure benefits of Oracle PaaS. Scalability. Oracle PaaS allows you to scale resources up or down based on demand. This elasticity helps in managing varying workloads efficiently without over-provisioning. Cost efficiency. By leveraging PIAS, organizations can reduce costs associated with hardware, maintenance, and software updates. Oracle manages the underlying infrastructure, allowing IT teams to focus on innovation rather than operational tasks. Faster time to market. PIAS provides pre-built services and tools that accelerate application development and deployment. This rapid development cycle enables faster delivery of new applications and updates. Integration capabilities. Oracle PIAS offers integration services that facilitate connecting on-premises applications with cloud-based services seamlessly. This integration capability simplifies IT architecture and enhances data flow across systems. Security and compliance. Oracle PIAS includes robust security features and compliance measures to protect data and meet regulatory requirements. This is crucial for maintaining data integrity and trust with customers. High availability and reliability. Oracle's PIAS infrastructure is designed for high availability and reliability, ensuring minimal downtime and consistent performance for critical applications. Analytics and insights. PIAS platforms often include built-in analytics tools that provide valuable insights into application performance, usage patterns, and user behavior. This data-driven approach helps in making informed decisions and optimizing resources. DevOps enablement. Oracle PIAS supports DevOps practices by offering tools for continuous integration, delivery, and automation. This promotes collaboration between development and operations teams, streamlining the software development lifecycle. Supporting DevOps with Oracle PIAS. Supporting DevOps with Oracle PIAS Platform as a Service involves leveraging various Oracle Cloud services and tools to enhance collaboration, automate processes, and improve deployment efficiency. Here are some key aspects. Integration. Oracle PIAS offers integration services that enable seamless communication between different applications and services. This is crucial for creating automated workflows and integrating DevOps tools. Automation. Utilize Oracle's automation capabilities to streamline build, test, and deployment processes. Oracle PIAS provides tools for continuous integration, CI, and continuous delivery, CD, such as Oracle Developer Cloud Service. Monitoring and logging. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure provides robust monitoring and logging capabilities. Use these features to gain visibility into application performance and ensure reliability throughout the DevOps lifecycle. Containerization. Oracle Container Engine for Kubernetes, OK, allows you to deploy, manage, and scale containerized applications using Kubernetes. It integrates well with Oracle PIAS offerings for container-based deployments. Security. Oracle PIAS includes built-in security features such as identity and access management, encryption, and compliance tools. Ensure that security is integrated into your DevOps processes from the outset. Scalability. Oracle Cloud services are designed for scalability, allowing you to handle varying workloads efficiently. Utilize auto-scaling features to adjust resources based on demand. Collaboration. Oracle PIAS supports collaboration across development teams with features like version control, issue tracking, and agile project management tools provided by Oracle Developer Cloud Service. Management tools for Oracle PIS. Oracle offers several management tools for Oracle PIS platform as a service to help with deployment, monitoring, and administration. Here are some key tools you might find useful. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Console. This is the primary web-based interface for managing Oracle Cloud services, including PIS offerings. It provides a unified view of your resources, allows you to create and manage instances, and configure services. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure CLI, Command Line Interface CLI tool for Oracle Cloud Services, which allows you to script and automate tasks related to managing Oracle PIS resources. It's useful for advanced users and automation scenarios. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure SDKs, Software Development Kits SDKs are available for various programming languages like Python, Java, and others, allowing developers to interact with Oracle Cloud services programmatically. Oracle Integration Cloud OIC provides capabilities for integrating and orchestrating Oracle Cloud services, on-premises applications, and third-party applications. It includes pre-built integrations and visual design tools. Oracle Management Cloud OMC, a suite of monitoring, management, and analytics services for Oracle Cloud environments, including PIS. OMC offers capabilities for performance monitoring, log analytics, and IT operations management. Oracle Autonomous Database Console, specifically for managing Oracle Autonomous Database services, providing tools for monitoring, scaling, and configuring autonomous database instances. Oracle Developer Cloud Service helps developers manage the software development lifecycle on Oracle Cloud, including version control, issue tracking, build automation, and deployment. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Monitoring offers comprehensive monitoring capabilities for Oracle Cloud resources, including PIS services, with real-time metrics, customizable dashboards, and alerting. Best practices for migrating to Oracle PIS. Migrating to Oracle PIS, platform as a service, involves several best practices to ensure a smooth transition and optimal utilization of the platform. Here are some key practices to consider. Assessment and planning. Assess current state, evaluate your current applications, infrastructure, and data to determine what can be migrated to Oracle PIS. Define objectives. Clearly outline your goals and expected outcomes from migrating to Oracle PIS. This helps in aligning the migration strategy with business objectives. Choose the right services. Service selection. Identify the Oracle PIS services that best fit your requirements. This could include services for databases, application development, integration, analytics, etc. Migration strategy. Phased approach. Plan a phased migration approach where you migrate applications and services incrementally. This reduces risk and allows for easier management of the migration process. Data migration. Plan for data migration strategies that ensure data integrity, security, and minimal downtime. Oracle provides tools and services to facilitate data migration. Security considerations. Security planning. Ensure that security measures are planned and implemented throughout the migration process. Oracle PIS offers security features, but it's essential to configure them correctly for your specific needs. Performance optimization. Performance testing. Conduct performance testing before and after migration to identify potential bottlenecks and optimize the performance of applications on Oracle PIS. Training and skill development. Team readiness. Train your IT teams on Oracle PIS services and tools to ensure they are prepared to manage and operate applications effectively on the platform. Monitoring and management. Monitoring tools. Set up monitoring and management tools to track the performance, availability, and usage of applications on Oracle PIS. This helps in proactive management and troubleshooting. How does Oracle PIS enhance application development? Oracle PIS, Platform as a Service, offers several enhancements to application development. Integrated Development Environment IDE. Oracle provides a comprehensive IDE that supports various programming languages and frameworks, making it easier for developers to write, test, and deploy applications. Database services. Oracle PIS includes managed database services like Oracle Autonomous Database that offer high performance, scalability, and security features, reducing the overhead of database administration for developers. Middleware services. It provides middleware services such as integration, business process management, and analytics, which streamline application development by offering pre-built components and tools. Scalability and elasticity. Oracle PIS enables applications to scale automatically based on demand, leveraging cloud resources efficiently and ensuring consistent performance. Security and compliance. Oracle PIS incorporates robust security features and compliance standards, reducing the burden on developers to implement and manage security measures independently. Collaboration and integration. It facilitates collaboration among development teams by providing tools for version control, continuous integration, and deployment automation. Integration with other Oracle and third-party services is also seamless. Cost efficiency. By leveraging PIS, developers can reduce infrastructure costs and focus more on application logic and innovation, as many operational aspects are managed by Oracle. Overall, Oracle PIS enhances application development by providing a unified platform with integrated tools, scalability, security, and cost efficiency, empowering developers to deliver high-quality applications faster. Why choose Prepexcellency for Oracle PIS online training? Expertise and experience. PRP Excellency likely employs trainers who are experts in Oracle PIS technologies. These trainers often have extensive industry experience and deep knowledge of Oracle's platform as a service offerings. Their expertise ensures that you receive high-quality instruction and insights that go beyond just the theoretical aspects. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs are typically structured to cover a wide range of topics within Oracle PIS. This comprehensive approach ensures that you gain a thorough understanding of various components such as Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI, Oracle Database Cloud Service, Oracle Integration Cloud, OIC, Oracle Analytics Cloud, OAC, and more. From foundational concepts to advanced techniques, Prepexcellency's curriculum may be designed to cater to different levels of learners. Flexibility of online learning. Online training offered by PRP Excellency provides flexibility in terms of scheduling and location. You can access the training materials and lectures from anywhere with an internet connection, making it ideal for professionals with busy schedules or those unable to attend in-person sessions. This flexibility allows you to learn at your own pace, ensuring a comfortable and effective learning experience. Hands-on learning opportunities. Effective online training often includes practical, hands-on learning opportunities. PRP Excellency may offer virtual labs, simulations, or projects that allow you to apply theoretical knowledge in real-world scenarios. Hands-on experience is crucial for gaining practical skills and confidence in using Oracle PIS products effectively. Certification preparation support. If your goal is to obtain Oracle certification in PIS technologies, PRP Excellency might offer specialized courses designed to prepare you for certification exams. These courses typically include exam-focused content, practice tests, and guidance on exam strategies. This structured approach can significantly enhance your chances of passing certification exams successfully. Supportive learning environment. PRP Excellency may provide additional resources such as study guides, reference materials, discussion forums, and access to instructors for support and clarification of doubts. These resources create a supportive learning environment where you can interact with peers and instructors, enhancing your overall learning experience. Reputation and reviews. Before choosing PRP Excellency or any training provider, it's advisable to research their reputation. Reading reviews, testimonials from past participants, and checking their track record in delivering quality training can give you insights into the effectiveness and reliability of their programs. Thank you.